In this video, we will learn how to delete history in Microsoft Edge browser. So let's start. Open your Microsoft Edge browser and go to the right hand side. Just click on this three dot and here you can see the menu list. Just click on the history option and here the history dialog box is open. So click on the all history and you can delete the history. Just click on the delete icon, delete browsing data. Before that, click on this three dot more option and open the history page. Okay, and here you can see the all history showing. Just select it and click on the delete button to delete the any history. Okay, and if you want to delete all, just click on this delete browsing data and here the one page is open. Delete browsing data dialog box is open. So here have some time range you have to select. If you want to delete only last hour history, you select this. Just click on this arrow. There are some default time here set last 7 days, last 4 week and all time. So I want to delete the last 24-hour history. So select the browsing history, download history, cookies and other site, cache image and files. Okay, and other option also available. If you want to delete the password the last 24 hours, autofill from data site, you can select this option also. Site permission, all data for the previous version of Microsoft Edge, Media Foundation data. So these are the extra option also available. So the default selected this one. If you don't want to delete the download history, just deselect it and select the other option and click on the clear now. So last 24-hour history will clear. I just click on the clear now. So that's it. So this is a way you can delete the history in Microsoft Edge browser. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.